sir. My name is Mark Nico Quinto, and my partner is John Richard Chugogen, and I will explain this topic: effect of free surface of liquids on vessel stability. The free surface effect occurs when liquid move freely within a partially filled tank or compartment on a vessel. This movement can negatively impact stability in the following ways. And here is the 1. Reduce transverse stability. When the vessel rolls, the liquid in partially filled tanks shift to the lower side. This movement raises the center of gravity and reduces the metacentric height. The result, the vessel becomes more tender, less stable, increasing the risk of capsizing. 2. Causes a slack tank condition. A tank that is not full or empty allows liquid to slosh side to side. This creates a vertical rise in the center of gravity, further decrease stability. And other 3. Increase the rolling motion. The shifting liquid adds to the vessel rolling momentum. It can cause prolonged and deeper rolls, which can be dangerous in rough seas.
Number 4. Compounds with multiple tanks. If several tanks have free surfaces, their combined effect can significantly degrade stability. Prevention minimization. Keep tanks either full or empty where possible. Use baffles inside tanks to limit liquid movement. Monitor tank levels carefully during cargo or ballast operations. Summary. Their free surface effects reduces vessel stability by raising the center of gravity and increasing rolling. It's most dangerous in partially filled tanks and must be managed to ensure safe vessel operations.